Hello and welcome to another CAD clip talking about Revit architecture, structure, and MEP 2011. And in this lesson I just want to talk about the nice new keyboard shortcuts option we have. So if you go over here to your ribbon, by default we start on the Home tab. If you go over here to the View tab, we have a nice option down in here called Keyboard Shortcuts, which is very much like editing the ACAD.pgp file from people coming from AutoCAD. So what we can do here is we can take any one of these commands on the ribbon and create a shortcut key and do it through the interface. So what we want to do in this example is use the default 3D view button. Okay, maybe I'm down to my level 1. I want to be able to hit F2 on my keyboard and automatically go to my default 3D view. So if you go to the View tab, 3D view, default 3D view, that's where the command sits in the ribbon. So I need to just take note, view on the create 3D view, okay, and it's easy to find anyway. So that's the command I want to put into my shortcut key, and you can use any one of these. So watch how we do this. From any view, we go over to our View tab, we go User Interface, we go into our keyboard shortcuts. Now all we have to do is find that particular command under View, and the easiest way to do is to just do a search. If you just type 3D here, it'll filter and you see 3D View, default 3D view. Okay, we could find it that way. Okay, I can backspace in here. I can also just sort by the View tab, and it'll show me all the commands on the View tab. So I can just kind of, scroll down through here and I'll find, 3D view, default 3D view. And this is where I'm going to add in my shortcut key. So you can find the line item in here. You can also sort these by the command, by the shortcut itself. If we sort this way, you'll see these are the ones that are all pre-assigned. Notice you can use control keys and stuff. We'll show you that. So these are all the built-in ones at the top. You can sort by the path. Okay, so different sorting methods you can assign and remove once you create them. So watch, I'll go into here and I'll type in 3D. And there's my command, 3D view, default 3D view. So if I pick right inside of here, here, and then go down to here, I'm going to use, on the keyboard it says press keys now, I'm going to hit F2. Boom. Don't worry about what it puts in there, just let it do it, and then I hit assign. Now, function F2, just leave that the way it is, and then I hit OK. So now I can be any view, I can be up on my second floor, etc., and I hit F2 on the keyboard, and I'll go right back to that default 3D view. I can also use control keys. Watch, I'm going to go back into here. Maybe I want my keyboard shortcuts to be a keyboard shortcut. Okay, let's try that one. Okay, so we're going to go here and type in keyboard shortcuts. Oh, it already is KS. If I hit cancel and I go KS on the keyboard, there's my keyboard, the shortcut to my keyboard shortcuts. Okay, let's go back to our 3D view just as an example. I'm going to go to this guy. If I want to take this out, what I have to do is pick right inside of here and then say remove. Okay, I can also pick inside of here and change this and go Control B and then say assign. Oh, look, I can have more than one. So I can take my F2 and say remove that one. So you can have more than one shortcut to the same command if you want. Not sure why you'd want that. So Control B. All I did was go in here, hold the Control key down on the keyboard and hit B. And then did an assign. Okay? It's not letting me assign it twice, which is fine. So I hit OK on that. And now I can be on any view I want. And then I just do a Control B. And there I am at my default 3D view. So there's a nice little change, a welcome change to the Revit 2011 suite, built-in keyboard shortcut interface for us right there. You can also go in here and export and import. If I have a bunch already set up, I can simply say export to an XML file, share that with my friends in the office, and hit save wherever I want on the system, and then my friend can go and import it from over here by importing XML. So importing and exporting of your keyboard shortcuts file with management all in this nice new interface.